Welcome back, writers. Today we're looking at a part of the essay many students underestimate, the conclusion. Some students rush through it, writing only one line, while others repeat everything they've already said. But in HKDSE writing, your conclusion is the final impression you leave on examiners, and a strong one can push your writing to the next level. A conclusion is not just a summary. Yes, you briefly revisit your main ideas, but its real purpose is to provide closure and show the significance of your argument. Think of it as the final bow at the end of a performance. You remind the audience what they've just seen and leave them with something memorable. A strong conclusion has three key features. First, it restates the main argument or stance clearly, but in fresh words, not copied from your introduction. Second, it synthesizes your main points, showing how they connect rather than simply listing them. Third, it leaves the reader with a final thought, often a broader implication or a suggestion for the future. This is how you transform an ending into impact. There are several strategies you can use. You can broaden the scope, link your essay's topic to a wider issue like society or the future. Offer a recommendation, suggest what should be done moving forward. Highlight significance, remind readers why the issue matters. What you must avoid is adding brand new arguments or drifting off topic. A conclusion is about tying threads together, not starting new ones. Here's a weak conclusion. In conclusion, there are advantages and disadvantages. That's all. It's too vague and unconvincing. Now here's a strong one. In conclusion, while technology brings challenges, its potential to improve education and communication cannot be ignored. To maximize benefits and reduce risks, society must strike a balance between innovation and regulation. See the difference? It's decisive, thoughtful, and leaves the reader with something to consider. Be careful of certain mistakes, repeating your introduction word for word, writing just one line with no real substance, or ending too abruptly. Some students also introduce a completely new point in the conclusion. That's a big no. Stick to closing what you've already developed. So remember, your conclusion is the last thing the examiner reads, and the last chance to show clarity and maturity in your thinking. Restate your stance, connect your main points, and finish with a final insight or recommendation. Your challenge: take an essay you've written, read your conclusion, and ask yourself, does it feel like a bow that ties everything together? If not, rewrite it using one of today's strategies. That's how you make your writing truly stand out.